Hello my good people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do some lifting. Now look at me, voila! Queen Cindy has her royal crown on. Now let's get down to it. Ba, 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 ba. And let me give you a little bit of some royal waves. Now let's get down to it. Now you can see I already have my makeup on and my eye makeup on, so we're going to use the concealer to do the lifting. So now to create lifting using my concealer brush, I will apply my concealer on the sides of my eyes, also on my cheekbones. This will also give my smoky look eyeshadow a sharp finishing where it ends. And also this is done using a concealer that is 2 tones lighter than your natural complexion. After the application of my concealer, I will then go with a damp beauty blender as to blend my concealer. Now observe as I blend my concealer with my foundation that I had applied earlier on, and then what I had done on the one side I do also on the other side. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move. Cape Town shores to Victoria's Hills. Everyone knows she's got those skills. A waving smile, she's a magazine. Our nation's own timeless queen. Sydney's where you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Then again, after I had applied my concealer, I then go on with my damp beauty blender and blend my concealer with my foundation. Now using my very same damp beauty blender, I go in on top of the concealer that I had blended. I set it with my setting powder. Then I go over on the other side and set my concealer with a setting powder. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move. Here one can observe that lifting has been done. With every step you shine so bright. So now off camera, I did apply my blush, my lip gloss, and contoured the sides of my nose. And what I will do now, I will highlight the parts that I have concealed using my Fenty highlighter. Here observe as I blot the excess product, just as I highlight the sides that I've concealed just now. So now when done highlighting the parts that I had been concealing and lifting, I also do the bridge of my nose and the center of my forehead. Yeah, I just highlight the high points of my face. Yeah, and that is just about it. I am happy with how my lifting has come about. You can observe it's all pretty and demure and looking all royal. The only part or step that I skipped was the setting spray. As I was doing this makeup, it was late at night, I was about to go to bed, so yeah, I didn't have to set the makeup. Queen Cindy is saying her goodbyes and giving you the royal way.